tuning in and watching. My name is Raul and you're watching I'mOutTraveling.com. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 7 things to do when visiting Oahu. The list that I'm going to show you isn't everything you can do in Oahu, but it's what we did. There's so much more to do in Oahu. Just explore, do some research, and you'll find exactly what you want to do. So let's get moving. But before we start, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Here we are, Kualua Ranch, where they filmed Jurassic Park, 51st Date, Godzilla, Lost, you name it. We recommend you get here early in the morning. As you can see, there's plenty of parking. By the time our tour was over, the parking lot was completely filled up with nowhere to park. The first option, which is the one we took, was to take a VIP tour, which was pretty much an air-conditioned shuttle that takes you around the park and shows you all the different places where all the movie sites were filmed on. The second option is pretty much a shuttle with no air conditioning. The third option is going by ATV, which if we had to do it again, I'd probably select the ATV. And lastly, the fourth option would be going horseback riding. We went on the VIP tour, so I'm not sure if all the tours do this, but we were able to go inside the Indominus Rex holding where they filmed Jurassic World. I can't guarantee that this will happen to you, but we actually encountered a real life T-Rex while we were in the park. Staying on the east side of the island, you'll find yourself at Mokoli'i Island, which is about 5 minutes away from Kualua Ranch. If you decide to venture out to Mokoli'i Island, you'll find a few locals renting out kayaks. Where exactly? I can't tell you that. We found our guy on the side of the road, so just look around. Good job, babe. Yeah, I'm doing it.
Okay, that was fun.
All right, we just got done hiking Mokoli'i Island. Mokoli'i Island, Chinaman's Hat. And how long did it take us?
Well, we kayaked there. The whole trip was like 3 hours.
3 hours. We hiked
because we kind of took our time too.
Right. We took a dip in the water. We hiked halfway. We didn't finish the hike. It was just unnecessary. We got plenty of nice views.
Yeah, and it was too much rock climbing, and we're not well versed on rock climbing.
It was actually our first hike, so we didn't want to take the risk.
But getting hurt.
You know, for any experienced hikers, I think you guys could do it.
For experienced rock climbers.
There you go.
You could do it.
You can't go to Oahu without visiting Pearl Harbor. There are about 1,300 tickets to visit the U.S.-Arizona Memorial, but those tickets are usually gone by 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, so we recommend you go early to beat the crowd. Here, you'll be able to learn the history and go inside ships and submarines to see how sailors lived day to day. Moving on now to North Shore. Now I know I called this the top 7 things to do, but I'm about to throw 3 more things to this list. But for the sake of the title, I'm going to call this the North Shore section and just make those 3 things 1. Starting out with Waimea Bay Beach. If you're looking to cliff dive, this is a spot to do it at. I won't lie, it's a little bit intimidating, but once you see kids doing it, it makes it a lot easier to jump. How's it taste?
Was it? Little 5-year-olds are doing it.
Yeah, but your heart, it's like pumping. When you're up there, you're like, ugh. Moving on to where to eat in the North Shore. We went to Giovanni's shrimp truck since it was the most popular one. Side note, for any of the food trucks, definitely bring cash because they only accept cash. We then followed it up with some Hawaiian shave ice from Matsumoto's Shave Ice, both within 5 minutes from each other. On to shark cage diving. We booked our tour through North Shore Shark Adventure and paid $85 per person getting in the water and $70 per person just riding on the boat. You have to make sure to call ahead before leaving your hotel to ensure that the tour is still going on because they do cancel it for safety reasons due to poor weather. This was an experience I'll never forget. I recommend you take the tour so you don't regret it.
Yeah?
Yep. That was amazing.
Thank you.
Loved it.
Saw a lot of sharks?
Yeah.
There's still some here.
I think they appreciated my shark jokes. On your way out or in to the North Shore, you'll find the Dole Plantation. There are a lot of cool stuff to buy, but before you do anything else, make sure to make the line for the Dole Whip. It took us nearly 20 minutes to get the ice cream, but it was so worth it. Thank you. Look at that. I sure am. We're starting the hike. Stairway to Heaven hike. It's alright. Lastly, the Stairway to Heaven hike. I saved the best for last. We took the back legal route through the Moanalua Valley. The round trip was nearly 10 hours and 4,000 calories.
We're in the clouds.
This hike isn't for everyone. Make sure to wear the appropriate gear because you will be rock climbing. Keep it up, baby. Crawl, you have to come.
How long have these things been here? How many people have crossed by it? Then I started like biking myself up.
And that, my friends, is a wrap. Hopefully this video has helped you guys out and that you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.